What is the largest island and smallest continent in the world? A. Australia. B. Europe. C. Antarctica. D. Africa. The correct answer is A. Australia. What determines the viscosity of magma? A. The external air pressure. B. The depth of the magma chamber. C. The amount of iron and sulfur. D. The amount of silica and water. The correct answer is D. The amount of silica and water. The Verkhoyansk Range is located in which direction relative to the area discussed? A. West. B. South. C. East. D. North. The correct answer is C. East. What resource becomes scarce due to overpopulation in urban areas? A. Agricultural land. B. Mineral resources. C. Building materials. D. Drinking water. The correct answer is D. Drinking water. What types of cargo does National Waterway 3 carry? A. Passengers, freight, and mail. B. Only freight. C. Only mail. D. Only passengers. The correct answer is A. Passengers, freight, and mail. What type of map shows the administrative divisions of a country, state, or district? A. Climate maps. B. Economic maps. C. Physical maps. D. Political maps. The correct answer is D. Political maps. At what altitude do alpine forests typically occur along the Himalayas? A. Exactly at sea level. B. Above 2,400 meters. C. Between 1,000 m and 2,000 meters. D. Below 1,000 meters. The correct answer is B. Above 2,400 meters. In what year was NHAI established? A. 2014. B. Hyderabad. Circa 1960. D. 1955. The correct answer is circa 1960. What is India's global position in sugarcane production? A. Third largest producer. B. Fourth largest producer. C. Second largest producer. D. Largest producer. The correct answer is C. Second largest producer. What type of activity is significantly impacted by the use of electricity? A. Economic activities. B. Leisure pursuits. C. Artistic endeavors. D. Social gatherings. The correct answer is A. Economic activities. What is an example of an extrusive igneous rock listed in the options? A. Gneiss. B. The text does not specify. C. Alluvial soil. D. Coal. The correct answer is B. The text does not specify. Besides pleasant weather, what other element is fundamental to attract tourists to travel destinations? A. Group tours. B. Seasonal holidays. C. Industrial development. D. Scenic beauty. The correct answer is D. Scenic beauty. What is one of the largest cotton-producing countries mentioned? A. Venezuela. B. Brazil. C. Argentina. D. Colombia. The correct answer is C. Argentina. Which type of sun's rays heats up the earth more intensely? A. Horizontal rays. B. Reflected rays. C. Inclined rays. D. Vertical race. The correct answer is D. Vertical race. What two elements primarily compose the Earth's core? A. Carbon and oxygen. B. Silicon and aluminum. C. Nickel and iron. D. Magnesium and calcium. The correct answer is C. Nickel and iron. The highest peak in Tamil Nadu is A. Yarkod. B. Anemudi. C. Dodhabetta. D. Kodaikanal. The correct answer is B. Anemudi. What type of beaches are characteristic of the West Coastal Plain? A. Sandy. B. Pebbled. C. Muddy. D. Rocky. The correct answer is A. Sandy. What is the approximate height range of the Western Ghats? A. 500 to 1,500 meters. B. 2,000 to 3,000 meters. C. 1,000 to 2,000 meters. D. 3,000 to 4,000 meters. The correct answer is B. 2,000 to 3,000 meters. What is the typical gradient of the slope of abyssal plains? A. Very steep. B. Gentle. C. Highly variable. D. Moderate. The correct answer is B. Gentle. Which of the following is a major industrial region in China? A. Mumbai. B. Tokyo. C. Hong Kong regions. D. Wuhan. The correct answer is D. Wuhan. In which region is the temperate forest primarily found in South America? A. Northern Brazil. B. Coastal Colombia. C. Amazon basin. D. Southern Brazil. The correct answer is D. Southern Brazil. What are the facilities that cater to the needs of a tourist called? A. Utilities. B. Amenities. C. Provisions. D. Necessities. The correct answer is B. Amenities. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by which instrument? A. Rotameter. B. Calorimeter. C. Seismograph. D. Ammeter. The correct answer is C. Seismograph. Which of the following is a west-flowing river of India? A. Narmada. B. Ganga. C. Brahmaputra. D. Mahandi. The correct answer is A. Narmada. Why are cloudy days warmer than cloudless days? A. Clouds reflect sunlight back to Earth. B. Clouds produce their own heat. C. Clouds trap heat from the Earth's surface. D. Clouds reduce wind speed. The correct answer is C. Clouds trap heat from the Earth's surface. Which hemisphere faces away from the sun when it is inclined towards the shortest day? A. Eastern Hemisphere. B. Southern Hemisphere. C. Western Hemisphere. D. Northern Hemisphere. The correct answer is D. Northern Hemisphere. What spice gives the Cardamom Hills their name? A. Cardamom. B. Pepper. C. Coffee. D. Clove. The correct answer is A. Cardamom. What is the population requirement for a city to be classified as a megacity? A. Exactly 1 lakh. B. More than 50 lakhs. C. Between 10 lakhs and 50 lakhs. D. Less than 10 lakhs. The correct answer is B. More than 50 lakhs. When is World Salt Day observed? A. 5th December. B. 15th August. C. 12th January. D. 15th October. The correct answer is A. 5th December. In the match the following section, what is associated with upper right corner? A. Density and growth. B. Graduated scale. C. Cardinal directions. D. Thematic map. The correct answer is A. Density and growth. How did you score?